I wouldn't say I'm excited or anything, but we're the first people on the bus here, waiting to go to the launch site. I think they're expecting a few people in our group here. We're going 2 different places. Part of us are going to the Banana Creek site, and part of us are going to the Causeway. So the first 2 buses, the one that we're on, goes to Banana Creek.
What, the 5th person today to tell you how important this mission is? Okay, well, let me give it a shot, because I'm a human spaceflight person also. This is really, really important on the road to putting humans on Mars. And it's also very important to us as Earthlings to understand what happened to the planet Mars. You know, the atmosphere that protects us here on Earth probably did the same thing for, if there were ever Martians, living Martians, their atmosphere used to do the same thing. But much of it is now gone. Not all of it, but much of it is now gone. Bruce has told me, okay, so for you scientists, this is not the science that we speak, because you know I don't know what I'm talking about. But according to Bruce Zukowski, the principal investigator, we think that, you know, solar winds, a lot of the dynamism of the sun just kind of scraped off the atmosphere of Mars through millennia, if you will. And if we can understand what's happening to the atmosphere that's remaining there now, how it's leaving, we can walk backwards and hopefully figure out what happened that made it the way it is, because we don't want Earth to be that way. So in addition to learning much more about Mars than we've ever known before, because this is the first mission of its type, it's also going to contribute to us understanding a little bit more about this planet. Kathy, what are you doing up there as if you're a guest?
At the viewing stand for the launch site. It's 2.5 hours until the launch actually takes place. There's lots of activity here. There's lots of speakers. The main scientists that are involved in the project are here. The NASA administrator just spoke to us. It's getting exciting.
FTS, go. Flight control, go. Instrumentation, go. Comm, go. Timer, go. ECQ, go. Umbilical, go. ECF, go. Redline monitor, go. Quality, go. Op safety manager, go. ULA safety officer, go. Vehicle system engineer, go. Range coordinator, clear to proceed. Launch director, launch vehicles ready to launch. Proceeding with the count. At 18:24 Zulu. Roger.
15 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition and liftoff.
was there? That was awesome.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engine start, ignition, and liftoff of the Atlas V with MAVEN, looking for clues about the evolution of Mars through its atmosphere.
Everything looking good, still at 100% rated thrust on the RD-180. Vehicle rates are looking good. We do have roll program in, right as expected. We are actively controlling the mixture ratio. Valve position looks good. Thrust regulator valve position looks good. Speeds are good. And vehicle's operating as expected. Continue down the center of the range track. Everything is looking good. We're now 1.6 nautical miles of altitude, 1.1 miles downrange, traveling at a little over 1,000 miles per hour. And we have ended our pitch yaw roll programs. Everything is looking good, continuing at 100% thrust. Now passing through the sound barrier. MAVEN is now supersonic. RD-180 continues to operate at 100% rated thrust. We are about to pass through max Q. And vehicles passing through max Q. Rates look good. Engine continues to operate at 100%. And we have throttled down to 95% thrust, right on time. We're now 10 nautical miles in altitude, 7.4 miles downrange, traveling at 2,200 miles per hour.